Hi, I'm Natasha Denona. I'm so excited to introduce you to my new Bronze Eyeshadow Palette. This palette features brand new, highly pigmented, warm tone neutral, nude brown, and different bronze shades. Continue watching to learn how to create this soft, smoky, bronze-inspired look. The first shade I'm going to dive into is Suntan. I'm pressing this with a blending brush onto the other third of the lid. With Beach, I'm going to blend this out. So I'm placing it on the upper border and moving up and down. I'm dipping my finger into True Copper now. It's the best to apply my metallic eyeshadows with fingers or with a dense and damp brush. I'm pressing this onto the center of the lid and up until the inner corner. With Suntan and a larger blending brush, I want to give a little bit of more depth to the inner upper crease. This will open up the eyes, which is something that I do not recommend if you have close-set eyes. But if you have even wide-set eyes, it's actually an amazing technique. With Gloaming, which is a metallic duochrome, I want to create a beautiful soft transition between the metallic and the matte eyeshadow. I took a mini brush, taking Magma to define the upper outer third of the lash line and also the lower outer third. With Bliss, which is a duochrome eyeshadow, look up, I'm going to elongate the lower lash line and gliding across the center lower lash line until I get to the inner corner. And then with what's left on the brush, I'm blending the lower border of the dark shade. To complete the look, I'm picking up Silk with a flat brush to define the inner lower lash line.